Hi everyone, I need to fill up my 911, but it just happens to be that it's snowing outside. But that's not a big deal because I am running my all-season tires, which a lot of you do not agree with. But let's go for a quick snow drive. First things first, let's see if I can get up my infamous hill. No issues. I wanted to give you, or rather I want to take you along for a ride with me as I go to get gas. But did I have to get it today? No. But I wanted to show you how fun it is to drive a rear-wheel drive, rear engine vehicle, specifically this Porsche 911 in the snow. Hey, my in-laws. Hey. Because what's cool about a car like this is the way it's engineered. You've got so much weight in the back that during a time like this, you've got a ton of grip. So I've driven all-wheel drive Porsches, and if I'm being honest, I did not notice much of a difference during the summer. And then during the winter, as I am now demonstrating, this is also a non-issue. So when you think about getting a 911, really reconsider getting all-wheel drive and ask yourself if this is something that you absolutely need. Because look, with rear-wheel drive, I'm having so much fun. And not only that, the fun is so controlled. Let's see how the braking is. Okay, so the braking, just like in any car in these conditions, is a little tough, but it's definitely better. It's definitely better than the Tesla. Tesla grip and acceleration is phenomenal in the snow. Braking, not so much because the car is really heavy. Now, 30 miles an hour. The roads have been plowed, but we got about, what, 5-6 inches of snow. That's not 5-6 inches on the road, but there's still some snow on the ground. And look, I am super comfortable. And every turn that you enter, you can pretend you're a rally driver. As you can see, not once did I demonstrate that the car seems out of control. The rear engine, all that weight in the back, just is so controlling. So controlling. All of that is done on all-season tires. And I know, if you live in a climate where it snows all the time or when it's cold all the time, winter tires are definitely the way to go. But when you live in a place where it snows 5 days a year, all-season tires are absolutely fine. And then when you get on the main road, look at this. And just enough gas to get us to the gas station and back. Can you please fill it up in 93? Yeah. Thanks. Look, a snowplow. All the looks you get when you drive a 911 in the snow. We don't want to stay on main roads. We want to stay on back roads and be able to do this. It is getting slippery, so woo! It is getting so slippery, so we're gonna have to put the car away. We also want to be mindful of the fact that we are probably scaring people when they see us go sideways like this. So we've got to be mindful of that. But as you can see, driving a 911 in the snow is a lot of fun. If you have the means to do it, I highly recommend you doing it. One of the things I would love to do is drive it on the ice. There is some amateurish ice racing, winter autocross. I believe it's done on ice. I want to try that because it will be so much fun doing it. If you see what I did, first thing I did when I started driving is I disabled traction control because I want to be able to be in full control of the slip with my right foot. A lot of you will say, yeah, traction control should be on, not during the winter, because if you have traction control all on, it'll be very unpredictable. You will get stuck a lot more. Yes, it might help you get up the hill if you just want to get up the hill and drive, but if you want to have fun, if you want to be in full control, traction control disabled is the way to go. And on that note, I wanted to thank you very much for watching as I drift through this corner. Woo-hoo-hoo! So much fun. Thank you very much for watching, and let me know. I'm actually curious. Would you drive your 911 in the snow? If you have a 911, do you drive it in the snow? And if so, what is your setup? I'm interested in hearing because I'm always willing to learn something new. So much fun. All right. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.